Yay me! Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to sew an invisible zipper on a bodice, meaning like the back of a dress or like the front of a dress, depending on what you're going to sew. This is a part 2 of the Sewing 101 episode 12 when I showed you how to sew an all-in-one facing. So if you did the all-in-one facing and now you want to do the invisible zipper, this is the part 2 of that one. If you haven't seen that episode, the link is in the description box. So let's get started. You will need muslin, invisible zipper, zipper foot or invisible zipper foot, and fabric bond is optional. Start by ironing the zipper so the zipper teeth and the zipper tape is flat. The left side of the zipper should be right sides together with the left side of your bodice. You should have 1/2 inch of seam allowance. This step is optional, but I really recommend using it because it'll prevent the zipper from moving around when you sew it. Iron the fabric bond between the zipper tape and the muslin. I don't have an invisible zipper foot, so if you don't have one, you can use your regular zipper foot. Those are more common. Just line up the edge of the foot with the zipper teeth and position the needle as close to the edge of the teeth as possible. Because the edge of the foot will be against the zipper teeth, your needle should be close to the edge of the foot so you don't catch the zipper teeth with your needle. Backstitch when you start and continue sewing. The color of your thread should be the same color as your zipper tape, but I'm using black for a contrast for this demonstration. Backstitch again when you get towards the end. Here I'm just pulling out the excess fabric bond. This next step helps so your zipper doesn't get lopsided when you sew it. Flatten your zipper and seam and place pins on both the tape and the seam allowance where the zipper will be sewn. If your zipper was longer and you had a waist seam, line up those seams so your seams are matching when the zipper is sewn. Now place the right side of the zipper, right sides together with the right side of the bodice. Make sure your pins are lined up together. Sew the zipper the same way, except this time I'm starting from the bottom. And that's how you get a perfectly matched up zipper. Now to finish up the rest of the seam. Match the seam allowance or the same distance the zipper is sewn. You'll be sewing, continuing the stitches to close the seam. I switched sides on the zipper foot so my needle is on the right side. Start on the previous stitch to continue on to the rest of the seam. Make sure when you're sewing you're not catching the zipper. Everything should look nice and smooth. Grab the facing and the seam allowance of the zipper underneath and turn it over. Sew the facing to the seam allowance of the zipper to hold down the facing. To finish it off, add a hook and eye at the top of the seam. And now you're done! Your zipper pull should pull down very smoothly with no nicks. Although I use black thread, you still can't see it with the muslin fabric. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more Sewing 101 episodes or even some cool DIYs, thumbs up this video and subscribe. Please subscribe so then you can be notified on when I upload a video. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can follow me at Crafty Amy on Instagram and Crafty Amy 93 on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching!